Alright, everybody. We're at a truck show. And when I say truck show, it's semi and pickup and everything else. So we're going to walk around and see what they got. There's some music playing, so I may have to put some background music to it. So there may be some that you just see pictures or see the video and no music, because there is music playing in the background. We don't want to make YouTube mad. So anyway, we're gonna walk through here and look at the semis and the pickups and just enjoy. Thanks, guys. Oh, that's nice. Alright, here's where the music's going to come in. Oh, there's an oldie. We're gonna have to go check it out. This is a new one. Let's go check out this old Mac. You know, everybody wants to see this one.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, you're fine. I ain't getting nobody in it. So. Not everybody wants on YouTube.
Brooklyn, come on, sweetheart.
Whoops, you're fine, baby. It's a nice truck.
Yeah.
It is.
That dude is, he has spent some money on that.
It's kind of slow, isn't it? 64 Mac. Oh, it's a nice truck. Western Star. I work with this guy every day.
That's your hood back there.
Can't miss that purple and green every day, can you? 75 model Western Star. Let's go over here and check out the Deuce. I got here kind of late. I think a lot of them's leaving. Old Peterbilt. New Peterbilt, I should say. And an old one over there. I'll go over here and look here in a minute.
They use trucks like this in the Korean War.
Convoy follows. Come over here, see that little truck there, do your little fleet. Come on, this thing is slow zooming in. 19.
Just do it as a show.
Shaky. 52. Hey, Brian, how's it going, buddy?
Good. How are you?
Oh, not too bad. Got you working hard?
Oh, yeah.
So you judging?
Yes, sir.
Everybody still here? I missed a few of them.
Everybody's still here. That Needle Nose and that KW just showed up.
The Needle Nose and the KW? We'll have to go check out that Peterbilt on the way out. Then we'll get the pickups. And I like these. This is my line of work, so. Real Kenworth. A lot of nice old iron here, boys. $1977. Automatic.
What up?
Must have been a girl driving this one.
Must have been. No bus transmission.
Here's the old trucks. Old Jones truck lines. Alright, let's go look at these two. Not very many here, but there's a few. What are here? Fairly old. Beautiful iron. You see this boy running all the time too. Let's see. What is, come on, you slow winding thing. 1988 Peterbilt. Dixie Grove Farms. Got a 3406 Cat. Peterbilt 362. Come on. Alright. Come back. Come back. Alright. This stupid camera. Bear with me, guys. I have to quit zooming in because it's too slow. Kenworth, 1953 Kenworth. One for hire. West Covina? West Covina?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, that's not, we didn't come from there today. That's where that
Oh,
truck
okay.
was based for years.
Okay. Well, my wife's probably seen this truck a few times. That's where she come from. Was
Well, it was out there for, hell, from 57 to 2002.
huh?
They had a shop right next to Kern's Cannery, right off the freeway there where the,
Okay. Yeah.
what is that, 605 and 10?
I don't know. My wife's family. That's where she came from. Was West Covina. Beautiful truck though. Let's go get the pickups, and that's pretty much it, guys, for the trucks. Not a whole lot here. I mean, we're in a small town anyway, so, but there's some nice vehicles for being a small town. And a lot of nice old iron. I built this truck. Yeah. I can show y'all pictures of this one when I built it.
Farm out what you can do.
I built it, he painted it, and finished it. 36 Dodge.
Still hurts. Yeah. I built a little
65 model.
The year I went with, it was giving away 36. It had the Corvette running drivetrain.
You know what gets me about that show is that they have up.
I'll take mine with a Scotch.
On it, man. I just run out.
Oh, okay.
Everything
I got some pure spring water.
Yeah.
I forgot how many was there, but the whole town was completely full, covered, and they were parking on the hillsides, in the yards, grass, everywhere. Yeah. Tulsa, I go to that one every first of the year with Daryl Harvard.
That's a good one. That's a really good one.
And there's a lot.
And you'll never meet you'll never meet a nicer guy either. I've met just about all of them, from Chip Foose to all of them. Daryl, we wasn't able to buy the book. The guy took me, my wife, and my 2 kids to the back room and sat down and talked to us just like he had known us for years. But try to get a Chip Foose or somebody else to do that, you're not going to do
Foose
it.
had one of his cars there last year. That's how popular it's getting.
Yeah,
It's
me and my
amazing
niece,
how many
me and
cars-
my niece went to a car show that Chip Foose threw on there in Tulsa. The rudest guy you ever met in your entire life. But we sat there and we went through the deal, and then we were still in line, but I forgot to get a picture of me by myself with him. I got it with my niece because I took her with me, and I said, well, let me get another picture. He said, well, you're going to have to go all the way back around and stand in line. I was just like from me to you from him. And he said, you're going to have to go back around and stand in line and pay another deal to come through. So that kind of done it in for me on
Well, I met
on
Gene
him.
Winfield up there. Got his autograph
Yeah.
picture too. He was really neat. It was neat to meet him because he was one of the first guys who invented top chopping.
Yeah,
84 years old, still gets out in that shop, works his butt off.
yeah, he does.
That's impressive. And hell, he sat there and talked to me for like 30 minutes.
Those are the ones that you don't mind actually, meeting. It's just those that think they're just, they get that popularity and they think they're just better than you, Although they put their pants on the same way you do, they just think they're better than you. Maybe. Excuse me. You're fine.
Now they're worth a lot of money. Used with trucks when I was a kid.
63 model. It's a clean little truck. You don't see that every day. Well, like fire extinguisher right on the back of it. Check that out. Huh.
No, he's come in with a 2-wheeler carrying his own battery. Put it in the floorboard and hooked that lanyard to that battery. That's how people get hooked on anything. And I can't think, he's a big old boy.
Class of 60. Well, this is what I like. Bring it to a show, just right straight. Hey, somebody needs to buy them some tires. Bring it to the show right off the street. That's the way to do it, boys. That's a real truck.
545 hit it.
That's the way to do it. Just bring it straight off the farm, right?
There you go.
No washing, no detailing.
Yeah.
That's the way I like it. Alright. I think that's it, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. And we're gonna letting the kids blow on the horn and everything. And it's pretty cool. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I was gonna take the kids for a ride. That's cool. Alright. Guys, I gotta go back by the music, so I'll let y'all go. We'll pause it from here. Thanks for watching, guys.